you need tools to incorporate into your system. These tools need to be fast and efficient. They need to solve a problem for you. These tools can be an editing software, a thumbnail designing software like Photoshop or Illustrator, and any other software like Blender that you want to run on your system efficiently. So for that I've changed my system. It's an Intel Core i5 12th generation, and I've also incorporated a graphics card into the system, which will significantly impact the amount of speed or the time that I spend on editing. I want to test whether I can edit longer videos on my system. The casing that I'm using is the Gladius, Thunder's Gladius. It has 3 fans that come in built with the system. I know how to run the tools or softwares, but unfortunately I was unable to run them properly. The new softwares, these old softwares are updated on newer systems or fresher builds, and they have an updated version. And if you have an old PC, then it becomes difficult to run these softwares on your system. And that is the reason why it was essential for me to upgrade and build a system that is relevant and latest. I know there is room for improvement in this capacity as well, but now I can always upgrade later. So that's about it. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.